All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. So, just let you guys know little things going on today. Actually, a lot going on today. So check it out. So obviously, today, what's today? My goodness, it's February 5th, you guys. Money Making Thursday. But check it out. Getting to the point. Today's gonna be a crazy one. As you can see, it's raining. Cats and dogs out here. Crazy. But on top of that, this is what's going on. A huge day for me. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So check it out. I'm going actually from Tampa straight to Fort Myers. I have to drop off all these appliances. I have about 12, 13 appliances on my van. Don't ask me how I did it, but I was able to do it. Okay, it's a combination of refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, and water heaters. I gotta drop it off to the Fort Myers driver so he does his route. Then I gotta boogie back to Tampa to the warehouse and grab the remainder of my routes and come back towards, get this, towards Fort Myers and Naples and finish up the area. I may have to do some Bradenton as well. We go see how I'm gonna do this. So right now it's what, 5 minutes to 9, 5 minutes after 9. It's took me about 2.5 hours to get down here because there was a total of 8 accidents on the freaking highway. I mean, it's crazy. I could have been here, but because of the accidents, you know, that's something you can't control the traffic. But I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna remain positive, get it done despite the weather. We're just gonna get the damn thing done. Get it done today. So I keep you guys updated on my journey here. After Verizon, take a slight left. I'll let you guys know my progress. But right now, this is something I never ever had to do, where I had to drop off a route and come back and get another one. In such a far distance, but this is why they pay me the big bucks. So this is why I do this. So I'm helping the company out because they have one driver that's taking 31 appliances in a 26-footer, which brings me up to my conclusion. I decided I'm going to buy a box truck. I could kill it with this if I just get a box truck. I don't care if it's a 16-footer, 20-footer. I really don't need a 26, but the 16 or the 20-footer, I could do a lot of damage with this. Okay. My van, I'm gonna keep my van. Who knows? I may hire a driver, put them in my van, because you know, I have a lot of people asking me about, you know, get it on and everything else. So who knows? But I like this van. I'm not getting rid of this van, so I'm gonna keep it. Perhaps hire a driver, put them in there, and we'll see what happens. But anyway, I keep you guys updated on my day here, and I see you guys once I get back to the warehouse. Peace. All right, you guys. Unload this. I'll keep it rolling. I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but let me get going. I'm gonna take some pictures, guys. I'll be back. Whew, man. Talking about wet. And the thing is, I have a raincoat. I didn't even use it. I'm just trying to get in and out. Man. So you guys seen the gist of it. I mean, now I'm headed back to Tampa. I think that's going to be a good hour and a half, perhaps 2-hour drive because of the traffic. We'll see. All right, so let me get off here. Let me let the warehouse know I dropped off everything. And because yeah, when I drop off everything, he has a lift gate, so he good. Okay, he good. I don't have to help him I put half of the stuff on there for him. But yeah, he good. So let me go ahead, and I'm out of breath because I'm going a million miles an hour, guys. So ain't too bad for a 49-year-old. Boy, this will work out. All right, so I see you guys in a few minutes once I get back to Tampa. All right, I'm back, you guys. All right, so just leaving the warehouse for my second run. Well, to pick up my initial orders. So here it is, you guys. I'm gonna be really quick because I got to hit on this highway. I got 6 hours to do this. I'll do it, but I'm just gonna have a long ass night coming back home. So right now I got Bradenton, Sarasota, we just added on. Then I got to boogie down to Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Naples. What you see back here is going to Naples and Fort Myers. So I try my best to document as much as possible, but I'm gonna let you guys know I'm gonna be in and out real quick. So this is perhaps one of my greatest challenges, but it's gonna be a big money day. So I see you guys in a few minutes. Peace. Woo. All right, I'm back, you guys. So unfortunately, you guys, you're not gonna see half of my deliveries today, but I'm gonna tell you what. It's cold and windy out right now. I don't know what happened to the weather, but man, I just dropped off a water heater. Now I'm on my way to drop off 3 bifold blinds, 3 doors or something like that. Door and 2 bifold blinds. So I see you guys in a few minutes. All right, you guys, so I just made it here. Obviously, you're not gonna see everything, but this is a huge order. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, you guys. So right now I'm headed to Fort Myers. Right now I'm on pace to be done by 5:30. So we'll see. As long as I get this done before 6, because that's what time these facilities close, I'm good. But right now my plan is to get everything done in Fort Myers. Only got 3 stops there. I should be done there about 4 o'clock. Then I got to boogie on down to Naples, and I think I got about 4 stops there, and I'm done for the day, you guys. So far so good. I'm gonna tell you this. What I'm doing right now is not typical, okay? This is my first time ever I had to run out to Fort Myers and run back to Tampa to get the remaining route and go back out to Fort Myers. Typical driver would not be doing this, and definitely the hourly drivers would not be doing this as well. But I'm doing this for 2 reasons. Obviously, yes, to make money, but to help the company out. Okay, so within a situation where there's short drivers, I always make sure I'm available. And I think that's the thing that stands up about me. I'm gonna be honest with you, because I'm reliable, I'm available, and I'm always ready to go. So I never say no. I never say no. If I can't do something, I'll find a way to do it. Okay, I never use the word I can't, so just keep that in mind. That's what these companies like. That's why this is my third full year with this contract. So I'm very humble and blessed to continue what I'm doing, because a lot of drivers before me have moved on. I mean, have been let go, I should say, from the contract. So I've been very liable. That's why I really want to move up and just take the next step in my business to get a bigger vehicle, which is a box truck, either a 16-footer or a 20-footer. Hey, if I find a good price on a 26-footer, hey, I get that one as well, so we'll see. But here's the cool thing about this, guys. When it comes to business, I have a great CPA. Get you a good accountant, a CPA accountant, go through your P&L. I'm talking business here, you guys. It's not a hustle, okay? And you sit down with your accountant, he or she will let you know, hey, this is what you could do, these are the moves you could do, things should be good, because at the end of the day, it's about scaling up, you guys. I can't, how should I say, I don't want to say can't. The things I want to do that I envision would require more than just one vehicle, put it that way. I want to be able to branch out and do other things as well, multiple things, and I discuss that later on in my other videos. But right now, let me focus on getting to Fort Myers, and I see you guys in a few minutes. All right. So I'm here actually my second to last stop here in Fort Myers. Doing pretty good on time, 10 minutes to 4, and I got maybe 3, maybe 4 stops left. So I have to back this bad boy in. I'm not even sure what side I think it's 2 washers. I gotta deliver here. So I may just roll this out in the back or the side door here, because this is where it's at. These two big boys right here. All right, let me keep it rolling. These guys chilling. All right, that'll do it. No, you only got one. No, that's also one stop, believe it or not. Yeah, lucky me. Don't even worry about it. Drop that right outside. Oh, okay. Right outside, that's fine. All right. I organized this a little bit. These two are my last stops, so. No, I'm okay, babe. I don't need no more sugar, man. All right, fellas. I'll be at home early. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys. So I'm actually, I'm here in Naples. Sorry I wasn't recording the rest of my stops, but I had 14, really 15 total today. This is going to be my last one I'm going to document. There's 2 other ranges. These are some big boys too, so these are the guys that's right behind me. But I got to call the office real quick so they can actually open this garage. So I'll be right back. All right, take 2, you guys. So, as I say, it's like one of those games, hide and go seek. So it's actually 5 minutes after 5. I got here really good time, and the other 2 drop-offs I have are literally like, 10 minutes apart. So not bad at all. So I'm going to be able to deliver everything. So right now I'm following this gentleman here to the new garage. Each facility have their own garages. In this case, their main garage is full. So right now these bad boys are not small either. I mean, these some oversized oven ranges. So, and right now it's this one right here. All right, cool. And I'm gonna turn around because hey, listen, I'm trying to work smarter, not harder. They're right here on the side. I'm not going to drag them through the back. I'm not doing that. So, all right, let's go. All right, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and offload this real quick. Get the hell up out of here. There we go. Perfect, perfect. I had another driver here earlier. This is a second half of the order. So, okay. Yeah. He's probably wondering, like, what's going on, you know? Yeah, I kind of figured the other garage was full.
The other garage is packed to the brim, man.
Is it? Man.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Perfect.
Awesome. I just need to get some pictures. That's it.
Yeah, you good.
Thank you, sir. What's your name?
Danny.
Danny. Thanks, Danny.
Yeah, what was your name?
Sam.
Sam.
Yep. Hey, have a good one.
You're warm.
Hey, oh, yeah. Sheesh. I mean, the weather drops. Man, goodness. Feel 40 degrees in the windshield over here. So, all right, you guys. This is perhaps my last one on my document. I have just air filters back there. That's it. And when I get back, I'll just give you guys a tally today and give you the rundown how everything went. All right, I'm back, you guys. So, man, oh man, let me tell you. So today, actually, I was done at like 5:15, just getting some gas and some munchies here, heading on the highway here. So, today, I'm gonna get right to the point because I'm tired and I'm just trying to get home right now. I got a long drive home. So today was a good day, just a long ass day. Excuse my French. So let's talk about it. I had to go from Tampa to Fort Myers to drop off inventory. To the driver, then go back to the warehouse to get the remaining order for Fort Myers, then go back out to hit Bradenton, Sarasota, Fort Myers, and Naples. So all in all, I had 14 stops, really 15, including that delivery to the other driver. So all in all, today's pay was $817, which is pretty good. You know, I'm not complaining. It just took me a little bit longer, and usually this route I would have been done at like 3 o'clock. But because I had to come back north to the warehouse and go back out, and that's what, you know, but it's okay. I was able to get everything done. All the deliveries done. Everybody's happy and good to go. So tomorrow, we'll see what happens. I don't think I'm doing the same route. I may do something locally. We'll see. But other than that, you guys, thank you for subscribing. Continue to subscribe, comment, and like and share my page, my channel. I really appreciate that. I'm talking fast because I'm just trying to get home, you guys. I have a consultation to get to, which I may have to reschedule depending on what time I get home. I do a lot of these consultations, at least three or 4 weeks. So I do a lot behind the scenes that you guys don't know. But all in all, you guys, you know, it's gonna be a lot of miles. I'll put it up there somewhere. I don't know how many miles it's gonna be. It's gonna be over 400 miles. I know that. So once you see, you know, the numbers up there, you'll know exactly how many miles I have and everything else. Other than that, thank you for your support. And I'm about to get home and get something to eat. So with that being said, God bless. I see you guys at the top. I see you at the bank. Peace. Salute.